Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, have you guys ever heard of beauty pie and how it works? I'm going to try to explain it to you. I've seen it across the beauty community. I did pick up a couple of products. So yeah, let's talk about beauty pie. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2-ish. So yeah, like, make comments, ring the bell, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get going. Okay, cool. So I have been fooling around with my lights. I look so freaking washed out in the monitor. I hope I can fix that or figure that out once I do my editing. And also because I'm pale, because I do have some eye makeup on, and because some of the products, I didn't get too many because I really wasn't sure. But anywho, it looks a little washed out, but we'll fix it. So the first time I saw anything about beauty pie, I watched Kimberly from Pretty Over 50. I'll show you right over here. But anyway, she raved about this Under Eye Genius, Under Eye Coverage. I don't know what the heck it was, but she could not stop talking about it. So I'm like, I don't know. So I did look it up. I have seen and I've heard about beauty pie around. Okay, whatever. And then recently I watched Risa from Risa Does Makeup, and she was talking about this neck and chest lightener. It basically, girl, I'm 54 years old. We loved, and I still do, hanging out in the sun. And I always remembered, and still do, that my chest always got like sun blisters, no matter how much coverage I put on it. Like I would get these like prickly blisters. They were so friggin' itchy. But anyway, so of course throughout the years I have done some damage on my chest. Now of course I cover up. Doesn't matter if I put 20, 30, 70, 50, 100, whatever. I still try to cover up my chest. But anyway, so there was like this really interesting neck and chest lifter, brightener. So I said, you know what, girl, let me give it a shot. So let me just give you a quick rundown what beauty pie is all about. It's not I don't want to say it's a company. It's more of like a distributor, I guess. Anyway, it was created by Marsha Kilroy. I really don't know who she is, but from what I'm reading about her, she is like this makeup guru. So basically what they do is that they really cut the middleman out. I guess they work right from the labs. I'm just going to read off of my phone here. Basically, yeah, they buy directly from the lab, which cuts out the middleman. And girl, we're not dumb. You know they jack up the prices, but girl, so I was like intrigued. So anyway, you do have to be a member. There are two ways to become a member. One of them is called the Day Pass. It's for $10, and basically it's like a one-time pass. It's like 24 hours. You get access to products that are 75% off, and basically you could shop up to like $300 worth of products. And then there's also a Beauty Pie Plus membership, which I got. It was $59 for the year. Now, if you think, oh my God, with $59, I'm gonna just tell you, in like one product that I picked up, girl, I had that $59 right back in my pocket and then some. So that is an annual fee. It's access member prices only, just like the other one. You save 75% off on your products. You get like bonus days, wild cards, treasure hunts. You know, there's like those special offers. So yeah, so basically that's what it is. So let me just show you what I picked up. So this is the Beauty Pie Uber Youth Neck Chest Super Lift Serum Spray. So this is what I picked up from watching Risa. Of course, I will link her video below. Girl, it has like 5% niacinamide to help brighten the look of age and sunspots while increasing hydration. Ideal Lift, 4%, and that helps to fight the appearance of sagging and reducing the visible effects of gravity on the skin. Who doesn't want that? And a couple other ingredients that I can't pronounce. But anyway, it looks really nice. Let me just open it for you. I did start using it probably like last week. It is so beautiful. So here it is right over here. It's got like this pretty forceful spray. I'm going to just spray it for you. It's got like this smell. And girl, you know I don't like smells on my skin. But a clean smell. It's not bad. It's got a clean smell. So basically you spray in the morning and or evening onto clean skin on your neck and chest, or over any other sun-damaged aged skin on your body. Follow with your favorite moisturizer and sunscreen in the AM. We'll see. We will see. So this, of course, it will take some time. So yes, I'm like super duper excited to let you know what the outcome of this will be. Of course, you know, it's gonna. When I use products like that, girl, it has to be like at least a month. So of course, when this goes up, it'll probably just be like maybe 2 weeks that I've been trying it. So during the course of like the months, I will keep you posted. Now, like I said, I look like so freaking pale, but because, hold up here, I did pick up by the way, most of these products are made in Italy. They're made in Switzerland, in the UK. I'm just looking at their website. They have such great skin products. I mean, and I have just recently been getting into skincare. I don't even, man, there is so many good things here. They have supplements, of course, makeup, diffusers. Oh my, there's so many great things. There you go, back in stock, the Uber Youth. I snatched that bad boy up as soon as I saw it. Yeah, so many great things. Hair scrunchies, lip gloss, lotions, so much. So anyway, so I did pick up this Super Luminous Under Eye Genius. This is a brightening corrector. Now, I don't really think, let me see, did I bring a mirror? I'll grab this little one. So I really don't think I have like really dark under eyes, but girl, like right over there, there's a little bit of darkness right over there that you could see that. Let's just try it. I've heard so many great things about this, especially from Kimberly. She raves about it. There are 2 shades, I think medium light. This is, light medium, I think medium dark. But here is the component right here. It does look like the Becca. Although I will tell you, she said that a lot of people on her channel have compared the two from the Becca corrector, although I don't even think you can get it anymore. Maybe Smashbox picked that up. I don't remember, but she's still, you know, her heart's still with this. So I'm going to just touch it. I just tapped that just like that. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, so I'm going to just go in. You know what we should do? Let's do one eye with it and one eye without it, shall we? So I think this one has a little bit more darkness. And I'm just patting, and that's pretty. Oh, I forgot to tell you, by the way, this neck and chest serum spray, this is why I'm telling you, girl, $59, you could recoup it in like one purchase. This is originally $75. Girl, take a guess how much I picked it up for. Nope, not even that. I picked this up for $18.62. Wait, like what? This Genius Corrector is, where is it? Made in Italy, by the way. This is made in Switzerland. This is $30. $9.37 I picked it up. So this looks super duper pretty. So I'm just tapping. I just want to put a little bit right here in my inner corner here. By the way, I am working on my doggone false eyelashes. I think they look like freaking spiders, but I'm trying. I've been practicing. So that is that. Okay, cool. So that is that. So now on top of that, I'm going to just use my usual tried and true Where the Heck Are You? Here it is right now. This is my favorite concealer in the whole wide world. This is the MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. You guys know how much I love that. I mean, I'm going to just dabble on both sides like I normally do. So I'm going to just tap it here like I normally do. I'm going to tap it here like I normally do. Exactly the same. So I'm like so super curious. Leave me comments below, you guys. Have you guys ever heard of Beauty Pie? Like I said, I just recently heard about them, and the products seem really nice. I like that they seem very natural and organic. Okay, let's see here. Where's my favorite sponge in the whole world? What is wrong with you, girl? So let's see here. I'm going to just tap that on. What do you guys think? Do you think this side looks a little bit brighter than this side? I'm going to have to say yes. Like right in here, right there, I think it looks a little bit brighter and more delish. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Like again, I want to put a little bit more because I really want to give this product its due I'm going to put it right over here. That's already too much. I really, really want to give this product a try. If I'm not mistaken, I will leave comments below. I think you could also use it. Yeah, this is too much. I think you could also use it as just a plain concealer. Because, you know, girl, I'm 54. I don't like to layer anything under my eye. Only the necessities. Only the necessities. So I will look and I will leave comments below if you could just use the Under Eye Genius. Damn, that is pretty though. It is pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna see if you could use it just as a concealer alone and not like build up on stuff. Okay, cool. And then the next product, did I tell you how much that was? I did. And then the next product I picked up, this is also made in Italy. This is the Super Cheek Cream Blush. I think I picked up, what did I pick up here? I love cream products. This is in Sexy Berry. This was $35. First of all, I love the packaging on all of these. They're very, very sturdy in the hand. Like, this does not feel cheap. This feels very sturdy, heavy enough to feel luxurious. But I like it. I like, you know, I'm very tactile. Very tactile. I like how this feels. Anyway, this is originally $35. I got it for $9.98. Like, these 98 cents, 75 cents, they cracked me up. This is beautiful. I don't even want to touch it. Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, I'm going to just... Okay, I barely touched it. Barely. That is beautiful. Wow. Yowza, I'm a little nervous. Hold up. I normally like to just put cream products with just my dampened sponge. So let's see. Just go right over there. I'm going to just leave it here and I'm going to just tap. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, girl, that is so pretty. Okay. That is really, really beautiful. Now, of course, I have nothing on because I have my bronzer that we'll do in a couple minutes because I just want, usually I put bronzer underneath, but this is a cream product. You know what? Who cares? I know they say you can't put cream on top of powder, but I'm going to do it. So let's I just want to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to go in with my sponge, go over the bridge of my nose because I like that look. That is super pretty. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just speed up the process for 1 second. Let me just finish the rest of my makeup. I just want to just finish my under eyes, put on the rest of my makeup. I want to go back to put this blush on again. And of course, not that the lips have anything to do with Beauty Pie right now, but of course we will do the lips together. Okay, so now that I got most of my makeup on, looks so, so pretty, I'm going to go in with my Refer blush brush. I'm just curious to see how that goes on with a brush. So I'm going to just tap that in. Picks up a pretty significant amount. I'm going to just tap it on my hand. This is a really, really pretty color. And I'm going to just, oops. That is, look at that, how beautiful. Wow. I'm going to definitely leave you some comments to see how it fared out. What time is it today? It is now 2:20. So I'm going, by the way, you know I will always have everything I have on my face, I will have down below. So this is a beautiful, beautiful blush. That is so, so pretty. I'm going to just go around the edges with my spongeroonie. Ooh, this is so beautiful. Isn't that nice? I really, really like that. Okay, cool. I really don't know about the under eyes. And of course, I will leave comments below if you could just use it as just the concealer. We'll see. Because not that it looks bad. I just don't like to layer underneath my eyes. And I would never put two things, like even sometimes if I accidentally like put foundation on underneath my eyes, I will wipe it off girl, because I don't want any kind of layering. That looks so good. Okay, so let's do the lip smacking sticker. I am in love with this. I just want to show you when I dabbed it on my hand. Oh, hello. When I dabbed it on my hand, it's already dry. Okay, cool. So let's just do the lip smacking stick. Nothing crazy. You know, my favorite, Charlotte Tilbury. This is the MP2 Alona. Yeah, I'm going to just fill in my lips, and then I'm going to just put this Buxom. This is the plumping lip cream. What the heck color is this? The White Russian, right over it. Okay guys, so this is it. This is my final look. What do you guys think? Leave me some comments below. Have you guys ever heard of Beauty Pie? Do you use their products? And do you like them? I'm like so super curious. So yep, that's it guys. This is my video on what the heck is Beauty Pie and the products that I picked up from them. So that is it guys. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye. You guys, I just wanted to let you know that I did try and get a discount code for you guys, but I guess because my channel is too small. I mean, they were gracious about it, but it's okay. Little by little, we'll get there.